Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. This is the Subscriber Sunday video where subscribers send in photos that I include at the end of the video. Anything that you're proud of in your yard, any kind of flowering thing or anything in your garden or community, whatever. Send those to me, and I do these videos the first Sunday of every month. This is the email address to send those photos to. Just include something like Subscriber Sunday in the title of the email so I know what it's for sure, because I get lots and lots of emails to this channel at this point, so I want to make sure that I get them included in the videos. Those are at the end. I had quite a few this time around. I have a few little video snippets from the garden center before that, and then of course the Colorblends Daffodil bulb giveaway is part of this. But before I talk about that, a little public service announcement. I'm 48 years old, and ever since the very first time my parents let me walk out the door, I haven't been back inside since. I feel like I'm a hostage inside. I love being outside, just love it, love it, love it. But I haven't done a very good job of taking care of my skin during that time, and I had my first ever dermatology appointment this week and had something frozen off and something cut out, but nothing, really no big deal. I mean, really, the amount of abuse I've given my skin, I feel very, very fortunate, and you know, I don't want you guys doing the same thing. So take care of your skin. This channel is all about, you know, getting outside and getting motivated and improving, you know, our spaces and that kind of thing. But do take care of your skin, you know, but wear sunscreen, big hats, and all those kinds of things. And I'm going to do a much better job of that going forward, and you'll see it in the videos. You know, if it's a video in the middle of the day, you're going to see me with the big Australian floppy hat that I have on, that I've always had and don't do a very good job of wearing. So protect your skin. Okay, in terms of the Colorblends Daffodil bulb giveaway, for those of you who may be watching this video but didn't participate in that one, Colorblends gave us 3 sets of 50 daffodil bulbs, one to give away on Instagram, one to give away on Facebook, and one to give away right here on YouTube. And the winner of the Instagram drawing is MP Dogs 1, and the winner on Facebook is Tuntran, and I know I'm butchering that name, and it's the person who's commented on videos since the beginning of this channel and has participated in this channel. Sorry to butcher your name, but congratulations on winning the daffodil bulbs. And here is the random drawing for the YouTube giveaway from the comments from that. And then, like I say, a little bit of video from the garden center, and then the subscriber photos. In a couple weeks, I have another giveaway for the October Subscriber Sunday video, so be on the lookout for that, and make a comment, like I say, on Instagram, Facebook, and on YouTube for 3 chances to win, whatever that's going to be, and I'm not going to tell you what it is yet. So this is how I pick the random winners. I actually just enter the URL of the video, and this allows me to filter out any duplicate comments. Let me hit that. There were 111 comments on that. We'll just start to pick a random winner right there. And the winner is Renee Campbell. If the 3 winners will just send me an email address to that email address that's at the beginning of the video, and let me know your address. Keep in mind that one of the great things about Colorblends is they actually send you the bulbs when it is time to actually plant them in your area. So that's when you'll receive them. So don't panic if you haven't gotten them in a week or 2. They'll ship them based on the your zip code after I give them your address. That's the great thing about it. So thank you very much to Colorblends for this giveaway. This is awesome. Go over to their website and check them out. I've got a big order coming in a few weeks to my house, and I'll be showing you how to cold treat some of the bulbs, and when I'm planting them, how I handle my bulbs, and lots of bulb videos coming up.